Hi guys, so today we're going to be going over early years, what happened to Native Americans. I know we're a little off track with the calendar, but since we're only doing it once a week, this is what we'll be doing. So let's look at page 29 and 30. So right here it says, what happened to the Native Americans? The Native Americans had a hard time after the explorers came to North America. The European explorers and colonists did not understand the way Native Americans lived. Some Native Americans tried to help the Europeans. However, in spite of their help, Native Americans began to lose their land. Point to a colony and tell me something about it. So let's go ahead and go over the Native Americans. So they had natural resources. What were some of their natural resources? They had silver and gold, animal furs, and land. Silver and gold, they were forced to mine gold and silver. So Native Americans were forced to mine gold and silver. Traded animal furs for beads, blankets, and other supplies. Showed the colonists how to farm and hunt. Later fought with the colonists over the land. So now that we've gone over this, let's go ahead and go to, if you can go over to, let's see, it's right here. This quiz, let's go to page 37. The first Americans were, circle your best answer. Was it the explorers, Native Americans, or the colonists? Number 2. One way all Native Americans were alike is that they farmed, fished, or loved nature. And number 3. Southwest Indians made their living by farming, fishing, or making pottery. Once you are done, submit your pictures so that we can go ahead and input your grade. Good luck!